Okay, let me make a little quick video here to show you how to do Lamin-X headlight film. I'm really excited about this. I got yellow headlight tints. I've had these literally for like 6 months sitting in my garage, and once it became apparent I was going to sell my car, I decided not to put them on, but I knew right when I got the new one I wanted to do it. And so let's kind of talk about what we're going to do here. So obviously you got the stock headlight here, and you know, nothing wrong with it obviously, but just want to make it look a little fancier. I've actually already done my test run on the first one, and there is the finished result. I won't leave you guys in suspense, but let's talk about how we get there and the kit that, you know, what comes with and how to do it. Okay, so Lamin-X gives you everything you need right in a kit. You basically go on their website and you order a kit for your car, whether you're doing headlights or taillights, and I've even gotten big sections to do things like side lights, and even my rear-facing center light at the top of my tailgate, which I'll be doing maybe in another video here, another section of this one. But anyway, here's a headlight cutout, just like the one I already installed. And they also give you the squeegee, they give you a little water sprayer, and they give you a little X-Acto knife you can cut out. Then they give you a little sticker and some directions. It comes in a little box like that. So anyway, in terms of how to do this, basically, you just make sure that you've got the headlight nice and clean. Then you're going to spray it down a little bit with the spray bottle. Then you're going to take the backing off of your Lamin-X sheet here, apply it carefully at an edge, and then you're going to spray down the outer edge of the sheeting, and then you're going to start to squeegee it off and get it going. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I've gone and wet down the surface with the little sprayer. I've taken the backing off of the Lamin-X and now I've placed it on here. And the really key part is here, they say to like align it to a straight edge as best you can. That's going to really make sure you have a good guide and that you've got a good fit. At this point then, I've sprayed down the outside of the film, and now I'm going to squeegee it just to get it into place. And so what I usually do is, you know, just work my way up in the top here, across. I don't know if there's any particularly great technique for this, but this is how I do it. And it seemed like it worked okay on the other one. Mind you, I'm doing this with one hand, so I'll do the best I can here on camera at least. These bottom sections bubbled out of me on the other one a little bit, so I'll have to work them a little bit off camera. But basically, the whole key here, and I've folded it up here, that's not good. Well, the whole key here really is patience. You have to take your time, try it, and if it doesn't work, you need to take it off and you need to start over. Because if you try to force it, you're going to put some kind of a crimp in the film and really be in a mess. So I'll come back to you here in a second once I've got it properly placed. Okay, and there you have it. All pressed on and cut to fit. Now, I kind of went through the cutting stage rather quickly as I wanted to kind of finish getting the pressing on. And what you have to do is sort of get it placed, squeegee it a little bit, and then you'll have like a tab here, for instance, that you've got to get cut off so you can fully squeegee that edge on. So I didn't really want to wait on that, which is why I just went ahead and did it. Same thing for this side. The thing I find that's really useful, you know, with the X-Acto knife that they give you here is just to get a little edge on it, and you basically want to kind of set it on an edge and just run it across flat. You don't want to be forcing it on the face of your light because you don't want to end up scratching your light or damaging it. Now, one thing I may not have mentioned up front is I wear rubber gloves when I do this. It doesn't really impact your ability to work with the film. You know, your hands don't stick to the film overly or anything like that, but it'll keep fingerprints off of your light and off of the film, and that's really important. Now with the film, you know, for instance, there are a couple of bubbles here. These will go away. I did these on my first car, although I did black tints instead of yellow, and with time and certainly some heat in the sun, those will dissipate. It's pretty hard to get it, you know, absolutely perfect, but it's a pretty good job. I'm actually pretty pleased with how it turned out, and I've been wanting to do this to my car generally for a long time, so I'm pretty excited with how it turned out. So there you go.